Good night, everybody. My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. Yeah, so this is going to be the first one for the morning. It's going to be Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency. Excuse me. I have my lines and graphs already set for you guys. We're starting at the daily time frame, and this allows us to apply a multiple time frame analysis, which helps us find our support, our resistance line, our entry, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And this is why we always start from a higher time frame. So this top line represents our major resistance line. It can be tested by looking left, like Beyonce says. We had a candlestick get rejected once it was under this line. We had this candlestick bounce, and then these three ultimately were rejected underneath. On the opposite side was our major support line. Once it's underneath, it'll work as resistance. Once you break past that and it comes down, it'll work as a floor. You can see over here, this candlestick wick peekabooing all the way up to a resistance line, but ultimately getting rejected underneath. Then you have these candlesticks that are resting or bouncing or reacting in this level. And then if you look to where we're at right now, you guys, we had this almost parabolic 3 bars drop, and this is on the daily time frame. So you got to understand, if I go to the 1 day, you can see how much of a parabolic move that was. I mean, we were just crashing all the way down until we got underneath this major support line. We just broke above that. We're starting to create this upward trend. Once we broke above the support line, we tried to retest. We ultimately failed that, but we came back above and are now resting on this support line. So would you consider this a good buy? Yes, I would, because we are on this major support line and it has been heavily tested multiple times. If you were to get in right now, like I said, just have your stop loss or a mental stop loss in the 25-cent area or the 24-cent area. So if we do break below this major support line, you know to get out and wait for a better entry. However, I think we will bounce from this major support line, as prior price history has told us that we tend to bounce or react in this area. So your first target would obviously not be at the previous highest point at the 33 cents, but midway, maybe around where we have this minor resistance at the 30 cents. So like I said, the 26-cent area where we're currently at would not be a bad buy, as long as you have your stop loss around in the 25 or 24-cent area. This allows us and shows us that if it does drop below this level, we know to get out and wait for a better entry. And not only that, this practices or teaches you money management to protect your assets at all time. So when you're getting into any stock, you guys, like I said, you need to have your target, your entry, and your stop loss already set in mind before getting into any stock. I'm just kind of here to break down these charts and kind of give you a good idea on exactly what you're looking at. So let me go back to the daily time frame and let me zoom in, okay? So yes, we are on this major support line. Yes, we are under the trend line, which is also another good sign. Usually we'll have the RSI here to also confirm all this stuff. But as you can see, that we were in this downward trend. We're starting to break this. Buyers are stepping up. We are on this support line. So like I said, I don't see this as being a bad buy right now. Just be careful. Use your stop loss. Have a mental stop loss already set and already know where your targets are going to be, you guys. So I like to make these videos really quick and efficiently. If you want me to break down a stock that you're interested in, put it in the comment box below, but don't do so without hitting that like or subscribe button. And if you also learned something from this video, again, hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content every single day for you guys. Stay tuned for the rest of this morning for me to drop the rest of the stocks that I have to break down. That being NEO, Tesla, AMC, GME, SNDL, and Facebook, you guys. So stay tuned, okay?